So this question says that from a point 70 meters from the base of a building, the angle of elevation to the top of an 8-meter flagpole, which is at the top of the building, is 34 degrees. We're going to find, first of all, the height of the building, and then we're going to find the angle of elevation to the top of the building. So what we are looking for is this distance right here. We'll call that Z. And just to make things a little bit easier, I'm going to call this distance right here X. And then we're looking for theta. We are looking for, the angle of elevation to the top of the building. So we are looking for theta, which is just going to be this angle right here. So to get the height of the building, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find Z, and I'm going to subtract 8. So the angle of elevation to the top, it says here, which is at the top of the building, to the top of the flagpole is 34 degrees. So I'm looking for the opposite side Z, and I have the adjacent 70. So it's going to be the tangent of 34 degrees will equal Z over 70, which means Z here, if I multiply that 70 up here, Z is going to be 70 multiplied by the tangent of 34 degrees. I just go to my calculator, 70 times the tangent of 34, and I will get 47.2 meters. Okay, now that's Z here. So for me to get X, X is going to be Z minus 8. So I'm going to leave that number in my calculator. I'm just going to press subtract 8 so that I'm using the entire decimal. So I'm not going to introduce any rounding errors too soon here. And this will be rounded to the nearest tenth, 39.2 meters. Now, once I've got that number, and again, I'm going to leave that number in my calculator so I can use it right away here. The angle of elevation to the top of that building, well, now I'm looking for theta. And again, I have the side opposite, X, and the side adjacent, 70. So it's just this triangle right here that's going to be X and 70, and I'm looking for this angle here, theta. So the tangent of theta is going to be X over 70. Now, in this case, I know that X is 39.2. So my theta will be the inverse tangent of 39.2 over 70. So I'm going to go to my calculator, but when I go second tangent and I use the 39 over 2, I'm actually going to go up and grab that value. Okay, because most of our calculators nowadays can do that. I'm just going to grab that value, divide that by 70, and then take the inverse tangent. And I'm going to get to the nearest degree, to the nearest degree, 29 degrees.